In front of me is Poco X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up App Lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Apps. Then choose App Lock, click on Turn On, and select Change Password to select one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. Finally, select Next, log in to your Xiaomi account or choose Not Now and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now, if you want to lock all of those apps, click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on each one. Make sure 0 is here, and tap on Use App Lock then. If you wish to unlock your apps with your fingerprint as well, select Settings in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, hit Cancel. Now to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it and go back. So now when I try to access my YouTube, icons that App Lock is required. If you want to unlock any of those apps, go back to the same settings, enter your App Lock and tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!